Science says 5 minutes equals 45 minutes jogging. This routine drew 18 million abroad views. This workout matches 45 minutes of jogging, supports heart health, and boosts metabolism. These moves are quicker, easier daily to keep up. No more talk. Watch closely. First move. Basketball players use this as a training warm-up. It's great cardio too. And the lower your hips, the harder it gets. Try taking 2 to 3 steps to one side, and then walk back. Second exercise. Mountain climbers. In a push-up position with your hands under your shoulders. Bring your knees towards your chest, keeping your body stable. Rest for 15 seconds. Third exercise. Lie on the floor. Raise your legs to about a 45-degree angle from the ground and move them in opposite directions. The lower your legs are to the ground, the more challenging this exercise becomes. Fourth exercise. Halfway there. First, do a push-up, then bring your feet forward into a squat, and then stand up. You can add a small jump while raising the knee. Repeat the movement. Rest for 15 seconds. Fifth exercise. We'll start with jumping jacks. I don't think this exercise needs any explanation. Last exercise. Left leg to right elbow. Right leg to left elbow. Raise each leg to hip level and repeat the movement. Great job. See next video.